In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Word document for your annotated bibliography. You maybe know how to do this and therefore don't need this video, but if you do, I'm making it for you. Okay, so when it comes to your annotated bibliography, I usually set my document for Times New Roman 12-point font just because that's what I'm used to. As long as you're doing anything that's 11 to 12 in a readable font, you should be good. You can go to this little expansion button underneath the paragraph section. You want to set this after to 0. That's going to eliminate any spaces after you hit enter. You want your line spacing to be double, and you'll select OK. You're going to type in your first, last name, your professor name, the course code and number, and then the date. And generally, you're going to want to create the date where you put the numbers first, month, and then the year. You'll want to center your title as Annotated Bibliography. Annotated Bibliography. And then what I would like for you to do is tell me your research question and the stakeholder that your annotated bibliography is exploring. This is going to make it tremendously easier for me as I read through your annotated bib. Then you're going to go ahead and share your source. Now, I went ahead and created this source right here from a paper that I did last semester. So you have the last name of the author, first name with the middle initial. The title was in quotation marks, and it's a pretty long title, the journal, volume, number, date of publication, and the location was the page numbers for this particular article. So once you do that, you can go ahead and enter and type your summary paragraph and your evaluative paragraph. And those are obviously going to be longer sections. You'll want to tab the first part, but then once you start typing, it can go back to the left side there. Then you need to create a hanging indent for your source. And how you do that is you highlight your source specifically, go back to that paragraph button, and right here where it says indentation, select hanging and hit OK. And that's going to hang everything by 0.5 indentation except for the first line. And that way I can tell that this is the beginning of a source. You should do this for every source that you have. So if I wanted to include my summary here, I would just do that. And if you actually, either way is really fine for me. If you want your entire paragraph having the hanging indent or none, either way is fine by me. Let me know if you have any questions as you are going throughout your annotated bib. I hope that this was helpful.